Case 24CR003547C, in which Mr. Moore is charged with cruelty to children in the third and battery family violence. Can I have the history, Mr. Howard? We can't hear you if you're talking.
2011 suspended license, 2010 FTA.
All right, Ms. Falk?
Yes, Your Honor. So this happened June 6, 2024 at 1962 Grange Drive, Southeast in Atlanta. Officers went out to the scene, spoke with Miss Tishonda Price, which is Tieshounda. Excuse me, Tishonda Bell is her last name. They spoke with her. She stated that they got into an argument which turned physical. He was trying to take Miss Bell to rehab. They began arguing, and officers watched the video of the incident where they determined the defendant was the predominant aggressor, that he was striking Miss Bell with his clenched fist, and the child, D. Moore, who was at the scene, who's 2 years of age, was crying and witnessing the incident as it was occurring with him punching her. They did place him under arrest and take him into custody. We have not had an opportunity to speak with Miss Bell. I will point out that there was also a simple battery that was pled down to a disorderly conduct in 2006, as well as the FTA in 2011, driving while license suspended. We would ask for a signature bond through pretrial services on this one. We would ask for a level 2, no further contact with Miss Bell, stay away from the address, no alcohol, drugs, or weapons, especially no firearms. And we would ask for a family violence intervention program. We would like to sound for Miss Tishonda Bell, and that's all for the state.
All right. Is Ms. Bell present and wishes to make a statement? Okay. Mr. Coleman, I'm inclined to accept the state's recommendation and give your client a signature bond through pretrial, but instead of the FVIP, require a 2-day anger awareness course. Do you have any objection to that?
No objection.
All right. Defendant is going to receive a $5,000 signature bond through pretrial, $4,000 on the battery, $1,000 on the cruelty. He's to take the 2-day anger awareness course. And that signature bond is at level 2. He is to have no contact with the alleged victim, stay away from that location, have no alcohol, no drugs, no weapons as a condition. Is there anything?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask for a either third-party contact with the child or no further contact with the child for the time.
We'll do third-party transfer. All right. Anything additional, or can we review the calendar?
Your Honor, we do have something additional on the Deshaun Powell case. Miss Denise Powell was having some technical difficulties, which would not allow her to speak when you asked her if she wanted to make a statement, but she would like to make a statement at this time in accordance with Marcy's law.
All right, Ms. Powell, if you'd like to make a statement, please turn on your camera, raise your right hand. Are you sure she wished to make a statement? That's fine.
She was very insistent upon speaking, so
my phone. Okay. Somebody was calling in. Okay.
All right, turn on your camera, please.
Okay.
These swear and affirm testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge under the penalty of perjury.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please proceed.
Okay, Your Honor. What I was addressing, and I told everybody else, my son had a serious drug problem. And you giving him anger management, that's not the root of the problem. Because if he don't like, it was about money. It wasn't about music. It was about me. It was about money. When he didn't have no money, that's when he came in over here in outrage. Not only did he come over to my house, he went to my old mother house about money. And like when I don't know if when he don't have the pills or when he on the pills, these kids are dying. And with anger management, how is anger management going to treat a drug problem? And my life is in danger. I look at the news every day, and these kids is killing their parents. I never seen my son, like we was close. And it's either I have to protect myself and my kids. So like anger management and it's a drug problem, like that's not gonna help. And
Okay.
that's all I'm asking. Like, don't fail him because like he's a good kid that got addicted to drugs. And it's like it's out of hand. 15 pills a day. And then if he can't get them, however he get them, and he
No,
go
yeah,
to the street,
I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to object to all of this.
I can have my kids. You attack me in front of 4 kids. My 1-year-old grandson, a 6-year-old, 8-year-old, and my 10-year-old daughter. They went to school every day, having the teacher to call me to make sure that I was okay. So it traumatized them.
All right. Any further response from the state of defense?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate you coming to court to make this statement. I did order a no contact at this time. All right, Miss.
So no drug problem, nothing. No drug treatment, no evaluation, no nothing. Just no contact.
All right. I
Just
believe
send him to the street.
that's not what I've done, but I think you should speak with his attorney about what I've done. There's some implications legally from ordering certain things. This is just a bond hearing. There's going to be other court dates at a bond hearing.
I'm on the phone.
At a bond hearing, everybody's entitled to a bond. This is a misdemeanor offense. Your son is going to have other court dates. There are implications from doing things too early in the beginning of a proceeding. This is just day one. You can speak to the victim witness advocate about other things. I have ordered that your son is to be monitored. Okay. I cannot give you legal advice. You should speak with his attorney about what I've done today and perhaps why I've done it. And I think you'll understand further why I've taken the actions that I have. All right. My heart does go out to you. I am trying to do what's in accordance with the law today. All right. All right. Best of luck to you. Okay. Ms. Holly, can we please reconcile the calendar?
Yes, ma'am, I will. Once again, the reset date for the SAP calendar is going to be June the 20th. Position number 1 is going on the SAP calendar with a total $6,000 good bond. Position 2 is going on the SAP calendar with a total $2,500 good bond. 3 is going to the SAP calendar with a $3,500 good bond. 4 is reset further notice with a total $5,000 SOB through the jail. Position 5 is being reset till Monday. 6 is going to the SAP calendar with a $3,000 good bond. 7, reset further notice with a total $6,000 SOB through the jail. 8, going to the SAP calendar with a total $2,000 split bond. 9 is reset further notice with a total $4,000 SOB through the jail. 10, reset further notice with a $6,000 SOB through the jail. 11, reset further notice with a total $3,000 SOB through the jail. 12 is reset further notice with a total $5,000 SOB through pretrial. 13, reset further notice with a total $6,000 SOB through pretrial. 14, reset further notice with a total $4,000 SOB through pretrial. And position 15 is going to the SAP calendar with a $2,500 good bond. Are there any questions, comments, or otherwise?
Nope.
No
All right.
questions.
I
Okay.
believe we in recess until Monday.
Okay. Judge, you should already have the paperwork.
All right. I'll sign it and get that taken care of. Hopefully, I still have a law license on Monday. All right, everyone. Read the chat.
Enjoy the rest of the weekend, everyone.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Take care.
Okay, bye-bye.